This was the time, and this was the place. This was where Dinner Dude would meet Mr Scribben for the ultimate meeting. Mr Scribben had told Dinner Dude that he wanted children from 2024 and he wanted to bring them back to work in his mill. Dinner Dude had said no, but they would agree to meet up. But where was he? Dinner Dude sat there waiting. Was this some silly game that Mr Scribben was playing? Okay then, no more games. Dinner Dude would use the time traveller's typewriter and send a message to Mr Scribben.